lalagyan ng phone, saka ng pera. Just in case magutom ito.
Hey everyone, kumain kami. Ito kami sa...
I like the sunset here. Ganda, no? Hello! What did you buy in the cafeteria? What's that? Money. Good morning everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. It's already 12 p.m. and I still have 3 hours left before I go to my duty. Pero hindi ko pa sure kasi kung may duty ako o wala. So, iti-text ko pa sa hospital kung mag-duty ako o hindi. Sabi niya siguro ang gulo ng schedule ng nurse na to. But yeah, that's how it works. So, yun, ima-maximize natin yung 3 hours na yan to finish a lot of things. I need to wash my uniform. I need to iron my uniform for later pa. And then, need to edit a video and thumbnail. So, maximize natin yung girl. Para may ma-upload tayo ng Sunday. Kasi Saturday and Sunday, I usually upload something ng magkasunod. Diba, every other day ako nag-upload. But on Saturday and Sundays, dalawa yung ina-upload ko. So, let's start para may mangyari sa buhay natin. Hey guys! So, hindi ako pupunta... Ang gulo ng bahay namin. Kanina pa ako nagre-reklamo sa mga kalat. But yeah, kaya ako nag-vlog. Hindi para ipakita siya. But to update you guys that I didn't have my duty today. Kasi, finally, kumukonte ng pasyente namin. Yes. And, ang gulo talaga nito. Kawawang Sassy. Lagi na lang nagsisisi nga si Sassy kasi pag may nawawalang chinelas, Sassy! Ganyan. Yung pagkala sa ilalim lang. Ay, buti na lang may Sassy na nasisisi. Mag-film sana kami today, kami ni Bebe. Nung request nyo guys na gagawin ni Bebe yung makeup ko. But then, hindi kami makapag-film kasi I think it's about to rain. Siyempre ayoko na maingay yung magiging background natin. Yung masyado parang rain sound, and the lighting is changing every now and then. Kasi nga, super cloudy sa labas talaga. I am currently preparing, I'm done preparing the giveaway gift for sis. Tawag ito, Macdanaline. Yung eto siya. Eto na. Yung first na giveaway natin, yung June favorite giveaway. Yun, ito na yung bibigay ko. Kasi, ngayon lang makakapunta sila mama ko sa may LBC and hindi ako pwedeng umalis ang bahay kasi nag-edit pa ako. So, ipapapadala ko na lang sa kanila. Yun. And on Tuesday, yun na lang yung upload ko ng... Siguro pagka-upload ko ng video na to, na-upload, tapos na din yung announcement ng Shopee giveaway ko. But, merong isang giveaway pa, which is the Watson's haul. Tapos dun sa dulo din nun may giveaway. So, head on to my channel and I will put the link also of that video down below kung gusto nyo pang sumali sa giveaway. Kasi, sabi ko nga, may pa konti-konti lang tayong giveaway. So, yeah, I hope you're enjoying your time here on this channel. Magme-merienda lang kami. What we got here is this. What do you call this, ate?
Avocado.
Avocado. Yeah.
I'm making a milk.
You're going to do what?
Powder.
That's sugar. Yan, kain na lang muna kami nito. Oh, that's the avocado. Ayan, hindi ko pa tinanggal tong buton to. Amen. And what I want with avocado is ganyan lang, tas spoon lang na ganun. Ayoko ng durog-durog, ayoko ng mushy. Parang parang tae ni Bebe nung baby siya. Tastes like what?
A sour.
Sour? Masarap naman. Gusto niya to eh. Parang di pa masyadong hinog. Yum. Why do you like it?
Avocado and grapes.
Avocado and grapes. Mahal naman ng gusto mong prutas masyado. You like also apple. Is it yummy? Really?
Tastes like a sour packer.
What's sour packer?
It's
It's sour packer.
like a cheese stick.
Like cheese sticks?
That's so sour.
Ano yun?
It's so sour.
Hey guys, so kakatapos lang namin naligo ni Bebe and pupunta kami sa school, magwo-walking kami. And Yun, suot ko lang yung extra large oversized shirt ko from GTW in SM. And my shorts lang. Tapos on my lips. Nagpulbo lang ako guys, as in yung baby powder. Taran! And then on my lips is this, what do you call this? Matte Plum from Clinique. Yan lang. Tapos, magbabag lang ako ng maliit. Pag lagyan ng phone, saka ng pera. Just in case magutom ito. Kasi nung oras na, 5:30 na po. Diba? Say bye to them.
Bye.
See you later.
Later.
Where are you? Where are you? Hi! I can see you. You're so silly. Bye!
Hey everyone, kain kami. Dito kami sa school. Ang ginagawa natin dito?
Dito ka lang makakakita ng lost and found cellphone na post. Bongga. I like the sunset here. Ganda, no? Hello! What did you buy in the cafeteria? What's that? Money. We're going home. Uwi na tayo. What? Sakit sa mata. Uy, may dog sila dun, oh. May dog sila dun. May dog sila, Tita Verlin. Nagpe-play ng ball. And we are back home, guys. Ayun, dun lang kami. Nag-walking lang kami and nag-worship kami dun sa school. Tapos bumili ng food or snack ni Bebe dun sa cafeteria. Just we went back home. Yun, nag-ano lang pala siya. Nag-picture-picture siya. Para daw sa Instagram niya, Facebook, gano'n. Wala siya Instagram, pero gustong-gusto niya nagpapapicture kahit pinamapak na siya ng lamok. Ah, sige, picture pa rin. Picture, tita, picture.
Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I got a flower. So this is kind for Tita Jonna. Look the side and the side. So I'm gonna fix it. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's start.
Teng, 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 teng. What are you doing? Oh, you're fixing. Wow! Amazing! You're really good.
I'm fixing something. I'm so really good to fix some flowers because I'm too anxious to that.
Sininok? Sininok? Ah, nagsinok na naman. Okay. Asan na yung flower? Show them. Are you done with that?
Yeah.
Okay, show them. And then see you next time. Tell them.
See you next time.
Tell them to subscribe and like this video.
Subscribe into my video. So welcome to my flowers later.
And don't forget to like.
Don't forget to like.